Are websites too small to read in Google Chrome? You can easily increase the default zoom size so text and images appear larger every time you browse. First, open Google Chrome on your device. Now, click on the three-dot menu in the top corner of the browser. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down a little until you find the Accessibility section. Open it, and here you'll see the default page zoom setting. By default, it's usually set to 100%, which is the normal size for web pages. If text feels too small or hard to read, simply click the plus button to increase the zoom level. You can raise it to 110%, 125%, or even larger depending on what feels comfortable for you. As soon as you change the setting, Chrome will automatically make text, images, and web pages appear bigger across most websites. You can always come back later and lower the zoom again if everything feels too large. This is especially useful if you spend a lot of time reading articles, browsing websites, or using a high-resolution screen where content appears tiny. Simple Chrome setting that can make browsing much easier on your eyes and far more comfortable every day.